BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra is making a statement responding to those statements made by Rahul and Dr. Singh. Let's listen in.
In this red corridor zone, if anyone was suffering, it was the common man of this country. हिंदुस्तान आपके नीचे 10 वर्षों तक किस प्रकार सफर करता रहा, वो हमने देखा है. आप अपने आप को एक बहुत बड़ा वित्तीय संस्थान मानते हैं और एक जाने माने इकोनॉमिस्ट हैं, मगर आपके प्रधानमंत्री काल के अंतर्गत जिस प्रकार हिंदुस्तान का ग्रोथ रेट बराबरी से नीचे जाता रहा, 2 वर्षों तक फॉर कंसेक्यूटिव 2 years 4.5% पे अटका रहा, यह कोई मनगढ़ंत बात नहीं है. गिरते हुए ग्रोथ रेट और चढ़ते हुए महंगाई के बीच में कोई पिस रहा था तो वो साधारण जनता पिस रही थी. मनमोहन जी, ये बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, ये हकीकत है जो 10 वर्षों तक जनता ने एहसास किया है और उसी का नतीजा 44 का मैंडेट रहा है. What you see as fragileness in economy, in fact, is the restructuring of an already broken economy. जिसको आप फ्रजाइल इकोनॉमी कह रहे हैं मनमोहन जी, वो दरअसल एक टूटे हुए इकोनॉमी का पुनर्गठन है. जो इकोनॉमी आपने तोड़ दिया था वो हम पुनर्गठित कर रहे हैं और बहुत सफलता के साथ कर रहे हैं. वेरी सक्सेसफुल रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ अ ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन इकोनॉमी बाय यू. फोर्थली, मनमोहन जी says the talk of policy paralysis was untrue, that our government left India with a second fast growing economy. If such was the work done by Congress during the last 10 years, where you took country to the height of development and growth, where there was no policy paralysis, then why did the 2014 elections saw such results? There was paralysis at every doorstep of every ministry in Congress, and your own ministers have vouched for that. Jayanti Natarajan was your own minister. Books have been written by your own bureaucrats. And Mr. Baijal has pointed out in his recent book, The Working Philosophy of UPA. You are damned if you are doing, you are damned if you don't. If you try to do something, you are damned. If you did not try to do anything, then also you were damned. So either way, everyone was prosecuted because there was complete policy paralysis. There was lack of a vision as to in which direction the country should move. And this has been proved at every point, and that's the reason as to why India was not moving ahead. Lastly, Mr. Manmohan Singh says that Make in India and policies as these are carbon copy of their policy. ये हास्यास्पद है. काफी समय से ना केवल मनमोहन जी मगर कांग्रेस के बड़े बड़े नेता ये कहते आए हैं कि एनडीए की जो सरकार है वो उनके पॉलिसीज का कार्बन कॉपी लेके आगे चला रही है. तो पहले कांग्रेस अपने ही घर के कंफ्यूजन को दूर कर ले. एक सांस में तो वो ये कहते हैं कि जो पॉलिसी ये सरकार लाती है वो कार्बन कॉपी है यूपीए की पॉलिसी की, और उसी शब्दावली में उसी सांस में वो यह भी कहते हैं कि ये तो बेकार पॉलिसी है. तो दोनों कैसी हो सकती हैं? पॉलिसी आप ही की हैं और पॉलिसी बेकार भी है. देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. दे आर अपोजिंग जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ अपोजिशन, एंड व्हेनेवर दिस हैपेंस दैट यू अपोज जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ अपोजिशन, यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड. You say that they are carbon copies of your policy, and yet you say that they are failed policies. That only implies that your policies were failed policies. Is this what you mean to imply, Mr. Manmohan Singh? He has broken his silence when things have already been proved, when he had summoned by a court, when the country knows the truth. So this ritual of breaking the silence is of no much use. The biggest thing that had happened by the end of the UPA regime, by the time they came to 10 years, was twofold. Both the position of the Prime Minister has been reduced to a ridicule then. Never before in the history of Indian politics had the office of Prime Minister become a seat of ridicule. And similar kind of thing was happening in their organization also. The power position of their organization, the second most power position, I would say, the Vice President's power position in Congress, during that tenure had been reduced to a power position of ridicule. Yes, I point towards Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who wished happy birthday to the NDA government only yesterday from Kerala. Mr. Gandhi, we thank you for having wished us happy birthday. And definitely, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who's quite used to celebrating birthdays, would wish us happy birthday. He is a happy birthday boy, and surely he would wish us that way. But Mr. Gandhi, it is not that the country is happy for only the happy birthday of NDA government, but the country is very happy for the fact that we are celebrating an anniversary of freedom from लूट की सरकार. एक वर्ष मोदी जी के सरकार के अचीवमेंट्स का हुआ है, देश उसके लिए प्रसन्न है. और धन्यवाद जो आपने हमें हैप्पी बर्थडे कहा. देश इसलिए भी सेलिब्रेट कर रही है कि एक वर्ष की आजादी लूट की सरकार से मिली है. यह भी एक बहुत बड़ा मौका है. आपने ऐसे मौके पर, लूट की सरकार के से आजादी मिलने के मौके पर हमें जन्मदिन की बधाई दी है. हम आपको धन्यवाद कहते हैं. एक किताब भी छापा है कांग्रेस ने. देयर इज अ ग्लॉसी बुक which the booklet which the Congress has come out with. We should congratulate the Congress. मैं बधाई देता हूं कांग्रेस को कि despite the fact that they have been carpet bombed by books after books, yet they have come out with a booklet. Their own people have carpet bombed Congress with the facts and the truth in forms of books, where they have been called as accident prime minister, underachiever, a prime minister whose cabinet secretary was running with files to 10 Janpad, a prime minister who had no powers, in the recent most books saying that the prime minister was complicit in corruption. Such party has come out with a booklet. And in the booklet, there's nothing but hallucination with statistics, which Congress is very good at. Hallucination with statistics. Such is the gloss of the book that if even a percentage of this gloss would have been reflected to Congress, then the result would not have been what we had seen in 2014. And if you go to the booklet, you would realize that Congress has done what it is best at: fudging figures. The Congress has a master art of fudging figures. They had fudged figures when they declared their budgets, from fiscal deficit to all the figures we had seen as to how they used to fudge them. And today, when they release a glossy book, a false book, they have such kind of fudging and statistical hallucination yet again.